Despite having only 3 ingredients, this juice recipe provides you with many vitamins and minerals. Welcome to my kitchen by Nana. Above all things, your health should be a priority, and it can be prioritized by giving your body the necessary ingredients for it to function properly. Tomatoes, beets, and spinach are one of the finest foods that we have and can easily be consumed through juice. So you have to wash them clean so that we remove any extra soil particles or any form of dirt. And since you're going to consume them, you need to wash them. You can first use unboiled water, then afterwards use boiled water. Chop them finely, even if actually you don't chop them finely, because you're going to blend them at the end of the day. So you just cut them into any desired shapes and then place them in the blender and proceed with the making of that juice. These vegetables contain iron, folic acid, and vitamin C. These improve the flow of blood in your body. They increase brain power and concentration, and also in memory. It is up to you to either remove the peeling of the beet or to keep it on. Also, this juice should be kept fresh, and it should also be consumed within a certain hours, because after some hours the beetroot will lose its power. You can't, if you have it like let's say overnight, you check the juice and it will be a little bit spoiled, so you have to consume it in the desired hours. Make sure you don't keep it for so long, and it should be drunk preferably during morning hours since it's a detox juice. The vitamin C in the beets and the tomatoes also helps to protect your skin from early signs of aging. It's also good for your skin. It's also good in case you have low energy. Sometimes you might wake up and you have very low energies in your body, but if you take this juice, it's going to help you refresh. It's going to help your body to have some energy. It contains iron, which revives the damaged cells in your body as well. Finally blend them very well together, because we want everything to be blended. And I'm going to sieve this one because of a few particles that I wouldn't want to have in my juice, but you can drink it unsieved. So this is how it looks. Very healthy, very natural.